Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a website that many big affiliate marketers are using to promote their products. This website is getting 22 million monthly visits and it has huge authority on Google. And that is why many big affiliate marketers are using this website, because this website quite often ranks on first page on Google. And for example, when we come here on ClickBank and when I click here on top offers, so what we need to do, for example, when I take this first product, this best ranking product on ClickBank, and I copy this and then go here on Google, paste that here and search for reviews, you will see there are many websites, there are 10 websites that are ranking here on first page on Google. So when I go back here on ClickBank and again, when I copy this product here, Control C, and when I paste that here and search for reviews and press enter, and again here you will see there are websites that are ranking on first page on Google. So let me take another product. So let me just scroll here, and when I copy this product here as well, and when I paste that here and search review, here you will see there are again websites that are ranking on first page on Google. But did you notice something? There is one website that is always on first page on Google for all of these products here, top products here on ClickBank. There is one website that is always on first page on Google. Did you notice which one? If you said Outlook India, you're absolutely right. Here you can see for Icaria Juice, Outlook India is actually on second position. And when I go back here for Alpine reviews, you will see again, okay, Outlook India is again on first position. And when I go back here for Live Pure, it is again Outlook India on first page. It is actually again second. Now actually this is on second result on first page. So Outlook India has a huge authority. So when we come here on a similar web, we will see that Outlook India is getting 22 million monthly visits. But even though it is Outlook India, when you scroll here you will see that 40% of their visitors are actually coming from tier 1 country, which means you can make a lots of money by promoting one of these products here. So let me take for example one of these keywords here. So Alpine reviews. And when I go here on Ahrefs free keyword generator, and when I paste that here and press enter, we will see how many people actually search this. Look at this, Alpine reviews, 29,000 people search every month this keyword here in United States alone. Now imagine how much traffic this article here on Outlook India is getting, and they are making a lots of money, lots of sale. Someone who actually published this article is making lots of money. This is an affiliate link here. So let me scroll here, again affiliate link, and let me scroll here, again affiliate link. Like I said, 29,000 people in United States alone. Add Canada, add Australia, United Kingdom, Ireland and other countries. So this person here who published this article is probably getting a lots of traffic, and it is probably getting lots of money. So what you need to do, you actually need to find a product that is not ranking on first page on Google and that is published on Outlook India. And you need to write a review for that product. But for the purpose of this video, let's just say I will use this product here. Simply Control C. And what I need to do, I actually need to go on Google and I need to search review of this product. And again, here you can see Outlook India is ranking on first page, but it doesn't matter because this is only an example. This is what you need to do. You need to find one of these products that is actually not ranking on first page on Google for the article that is published on Outlook India. And let's just say, for example, I wish to use this article here. And what you need to do, you need to install Harpa AI and you need to press Alt A. And then you need to press /. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on Extract and Research SEO Keywords. And then you need to click here on Page Text and then press Enter. And now Harpa AI will actually extract all the keywords that person who published this article is actually targeting. And here you can see it is already doing that. And what you need to do, and you need to go back here on ChatGPT and you need to say something like this. Write this article, leave pure review, use this article as a point of reference helper. And I added a link to this article here, okay? And here I added these keywords. I told ChatGPT to use these keywords and to sprinkle them naturally throughout the article. That is important. And then I added keywords that Harpa AI actually found here that this article is targeting. And all you have to do now is just press here on enter, and now ChatGPT will rewrite this article here 100% free. But here is the tip for you. You should not use this article as it is. You need to edit this article a bit so it looks like it was actually written by a real human being. That is really important because Google doesn't like articles that are written by ChatGPT or other AI softwares. And then what you need to do, you need to go back here on Outlook India, and then you need to simply go on Contact Us page, and you need to contact them and ask them how much they are actually charging to publish one article that contains affiliate link. It is not cheap, it costs more than $200, but it is worth it. As we see, this article here is ranking on first page on Google for Alpine reviews, and it is this keyword has 29 searches per month in United States alone. Now imagine, would you pay $500 for this article here to rank on first page on Google? How much money you can make this person who actually published this article, how much money they are actually making. So it is worth paying $200, even $1,000 for this article. And not just that, after Outlook India published this article, what you need to do, you need to start creating some backlinks. You need to start promoting that article. You need to share it on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter, on related forums, on Reddit, on Tumblr, wherever you can. Start building uplinks, start building backlinks. In that way, this article will rank on first page on Google 100%, and you will start getting lots of traffic. You will start getting lots of clicks and lots of sales and lots of money with affiliate marketing, even if you are absolute beginner. Because like I said, all of these top products here on ClickBank and also on Digistore24, they are all paying to Outlook India to publish their articles that contains their affiliate link, and they are all making good money. So that is exactly what you need to do if you wish to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.